how to connect Namecheap domain to Shopify store. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to utilize our Namecheap domain over here and utilize it for our domain store or our Shopify store over here. So adding a domain in Shopify is actually very simple. You could either go to your settings or also check out your homepage over here, which will show you add domain or add a custom domain option over here. So if you click on add domain, you will see here the section where we will be able to choose on how we want to connect our domain. So we can either buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. So of course, we have a domain in Namecheap. So we're going to click on connect an existing domain and simply copy then our domains over here. So we're going to copy this one, click on next, and there will be a set of instructions on how we will be able to verify and connect our Namecheap together with our Shopify. So there will be a setup over here. So as you can see here, so simply wait and check out, or there will be a set of instructions. So let's give it a few seconds to go, and there we go. So basically, we will need to add our DNS record over here. So if you go over here in our domain, if you click on manage on our specific domain, we should be able to add our DNS records over here. So it's adding this is very simple and very straightforward actually. So there will be an add new record option over here. So let's see where it is over here. This is name servers. So there will be section for our domain. So if you click on advanced domain or sharing and transfer over here, there should be an option for records that we will be able to add. As you can see here, advanced DNS. And over here, we should then be able to, this will go, add a new name server over here, register name server. So simply click on add name server and enter the following information that is required for you to be added. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.